Welcome to Classic Coach once again. Beautiful 1973 Ferrari Dino GT. This car is in much original condition. There was a clutch job just done by us and was just performed. So brand new clutch in the vehicle. $24,969 miles on the odometer. Be sure to look at our website for more information and photos of this vehicle if you're coming to us from YouTube or seeing this video elsewhere also. We have this vehicle on consignment. Please call for an appointment to come and view this vehicle.